Want to save Facebook videos to watch later? Let's learn how to do it on your iPhone. Hi, I'm Siuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to save Facebook videos on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Go to the Videos tab. Now, swipe up or down to browse through the videos until you find the one that you want to save. At the bottom right corner of your video screen, you will see a three dots icon. Tap on this icon to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, tap on the Save Reel option. This will save the video to your saved video items on Facebook. And this is how you can save videos on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.